Hey, hey, happy Mother's Day. Today is Sunday. What is that? Wow. Is that a fox? People better watch with your dogs. Thanks. Something happened to me on this mug. It's a wrap. I'm an organ donor. See this is what you have to deal with. People pull out in front of you. Now she could have got out and got over in the next lane. No respect for bikers. Period. Just know that when riding, everybody's not gonna always look out for you. Then you know when you know they wrong, they won't even look at you. That's how you know they know. We went to this drive-in on opening day. We saw Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park and Nightmare on Elm Street. Wasn't too bad. They had the Jeeps and everything that was in the movie. It's coming up right here. Harbor Memory Lane. That's it right there. I like to fly FPV over there. That water tower. I'm doing pretty good on speed. I got that wind facing me. Coming out of feel like east now. A little bit of east. That's Telegraph. That'll take you into town. That's Stony Creek. Let's get some draft. We'll catch her draft. She'll pull me. Be safe out there. Cruising along. It don't matter. Man, I can't wait to watch this video. I don't know my little animals like that, but it looked like a fox to me. I know a little bit of something about them Red Dead. I used to hunt them. Skin them, take them to the little market, hardware, whatever you call it, general store. Man, I'd love to live back in the cowboy days. I really would. They're state boys. They gave me the deuce. Pretty much, be careful, you know. Back at you. Yeah, I want to do this week we'll do a video. We'll do one on the clutch maintenance. Because people don't know it's a lot more to maintenance on these. pretty much just the CVT, the belt, and the clutch. You got this little plate in the clutch that the springs sits over, and you have to grease that. If you don't grease it, what happens when you give it gas and the variators open the back plate up and the belt go up, if it's dry back there, it's going to be hard for that belt to slide down to the bottom. So if you notice like inconsistency, like if you at a light or something and you sitting and the takeoff is like different, what's happening, that belt's still sitting farther down in that clutch from being stuck, and there's a lot of heat back there. It's a lot of heat. So you want to use like some grease. It's a clean sport track. Never cared for them either. I used to load them when they came out. I drove them too when I was a driver before I was a loader. They was real like squirmy. The wheelbase was too short for the truck. I think they still sold. I think they still sold a lot. I think they did good. But what we gonna do about these gas prices is the question. You know, I got gas yesterday, $4.30 something. That's why I like riding this, man. You know, if I gotta run a store or something and pick up something or something on Marketplace and it's in like Westland or Canton, something like that, you rather put $20 in the car and go get it, or put $2 in and go get it and enjoy your ride. Oh, this dude's sitting on a green light. Leave him alone. You thinking where you gonna launch his boat off at? Hope you have a good day, guy.
Wu-Tang, 7 death blows, explore the globe. Stand in shallow water and slaughter those who oppose. The passionate destroyer who stings like antiseptic, barbaric, esoteric, half sorcerer, half skeptic, anorexic, war machine, depressed, drunken mess, learn from the best, snatching your fossil from your flesh. Bloodshot, Dr. Kilgrave, subterranean, skeleton reinforced with stone and titanium. Gyros hung, blood and oil flow as one. Mental powers override iron fists and blade tongue. The bronze dawn with bomb songs hit Hong Kong. Holocaust, a scientific experiment gone wrong.
Now, allied commanders go desperate till at the Armageddon wedding. The whole ship platoon back soon. A battleground for the beat of the moon. Most of our niggas is kids, being hit by typhoons. Machine gun and scissors by the screens. The nightmare spin off flashing in dreams. Listen to my bombs like we use beat of songs. I got fire on like Megatron. Asthma attack, bash, snatch, one punch, crack. Grab your ass to beat the fake out shack. Third eyes like binoculars. Listen to the lyrical opera. Spark to the combo. I'll go fuck like a beat of drama. The stage to the page. Battleground is starting at the gate. I'm on the team on the face of the court and break break. I got the death roll for rotation. The most of Christ. This is the
Yeah, so we'll just have a little nice quiet ride home. Put some music on.